Alright, fella. I'm under the vehicle. I'm working on front differential. The front differential, I need to change the oil gear. Alright, when you get down here, before you do anything, in this vehicle is GM Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The first thing before you go any further, you have to loosen up the fill up nut, which is right here, the rusty one. It's not rusty, but it look rusty looking right there. Make sure it's loose, and you'll be able to take it off before you drain the oil. Why? Because if you drain the oil and this guy here is seized, you ain't getting nowhere. You ain't gonna be able to go nowhere. You need that oil. So once you loosen this up, you loosen up. Actually, I'm gonna take it off all the way. Now I'm able to turn it by hands. And then, by the way, that's a 18 millimeter. And then the drain nut is 13 millimeter. So two different size. So I'm gonna get this loose and drain this. While you're doing it, make sure you got a bucket or anything you can use to catch the oil. I'm gonna drain the things. First, I'm gonna take this nut off all the way. Probably it might drip. Keep the bucket by. No. All right. It's off. Now I'll go for the drain nut to drain the oil. Right. There you go. Ooh, that's nasty stuff. Look at the clumps. This is terrible. Gotta go there. Look, that's black. Yeah, I'm glad I'm changing it. And then I also, what I see, I'm also gonna change the transfer case and also the rear differential. Now when it stops draining, and I will come over here, use my oil bottle, old school one with the hose. This one is terrible, but that's all I got. That's this type of oil that you need for this job when you want to service your differential. And I think it might take two. All right, guys. Now you know it. Now you got it. All right. You use 75W90 for synthetic, full synthetic. All right. Subscribe. Hit the like button so you can see more.